Hey guys, this is me Mansi Dangi and today I am going to teach you pollination in flowering plants. So, what is pollination? It is the transfer of pollen grains from anther of a flower to stigma of the same or another flower. It is of three types, namely Autogamy, Geitonogamy and Xenogamy. Let's start with autogamy. It is also called self-pollination. This is because it refers to the transfer of pollen grain from the anther of a flower to the stigma of the same flower of one plant only. So this is the flower, the stigma and the stamens. So autogamy is self-pollination. Next is Geitonogamy, which is transfer of pollen from anther to stigma of another flower on the same plant. So let me show you. This is the flower and this is another flower. Now here we have the anthers and here we have the stick like this. So from the anther to the stigma of different flower on the same plant. This is Geitonogamy. It is functionally cross-pollination as it requires agents of pollination but is genetically self-pollination. Last is Xenogamy. It is also called cross-pollination. This is because it is the transfer of pollen from anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower of a different plant, like this. This is the only type of pollination which brings genetically different pollen to the stigma. I hope you guys understood the concept pretty well. Thank you.